Harold!
Rangers.
A fake beard? You better find a better Halloween costume than that. The old man's chucking eggs again this year.
Yeah, and I hear he's also throwing ostrich eggs at the really terrible costumes this time.
Well, Cranky is gonna love this silly costume. Just watch.
I bet you've never seen an old man move so fast in your life, you young whippersnapper!
Shut your yap, Sonny! It's time you listen to a real video game hero for a change! Youngins these days, they all think they have something important to say. And back in our day, we never needed that fancy schmancy motion control rubbish. We got by just fine with buttons, and our music wasn't solid remixes, it was all original.
I can't believe that worked.
Outsmarted again.
Hey, you clown-faced yokel! This day doesn't happen nearly often enough.
Cranky, what are you doing?
Well, I'm teaching those whippersnappers the true meaning of Halloween. You're looking a little yellow tonight, dear.
That's because I'm so plagued by sorrow. I sacrificed so much of my life raising those cogs. And to watch you carelessly attack them now just breaks my heart.
Well, we sure don't want that to happen. Take this potion, my love. I'm sure it'll cheer you right up.
Oh, you and your potions. Just less trick and more treat from now on, okay? Do it for me. And you can start by giving away your most prized banana to the next Kong who comes through that door, mister.
Ha! It's a time for the hot banana fairies. This is gonna be great. Trick or treat!
No way. I can hardly believe it. She did it again.
Yoshi. I can't believe it! Cranky actually rewarded us with bananas this year.
Dressing as his most beloved idols, Miyamoto, and an arcade machine was simply foolproof.
Since this works so perfectly, I have a wicked costume idea for next year.
Diddy, look over there! Tiny! Oh my gosh, are you okay?
Wow, Cranky really did a number on her this year. You know, Tiny, we'd love to help you clean up, but no. We'll be too busy eating these giant bananas we want from Cranky. Huh. And off the record, an hour ago I warned Cranky you were probably up to your old tricks again. No wonder you failed.
According to Diddy Kong, a dummy Tiny perhaps? Ha! That is just music to my ears.
What? A dummy? It's so realistic.
Yup, and the best part is, no real Tinies were harmed in making the dummy Tiny. Now if you just step aside, I'm coming through with a real Cranky Kong banana.
Yeah! How are we still beaten? That's not possible!
No, Diddy, stop! Not the bananas!
I have a very expensive reason to celebrate Halloween this year. May I present to you my booby-trap doormat? I'll tell you a secret. Whoever says trick or treat will trigger the trap and be flung into space. Who hung this atrocity in my house? Here I was agreeing to give this miserable adventure a chance, and who knows, maybe I'd even come to enjoy modern adventuring. And how did they repay me? By leaving me to rot inside that daggum barrel the whole game!
Oh, Cranky, that's so sad.
What are you doing in here?
I was, just walking past your house when I overheard your sad story. It reminded me of the sadness I felt during DKC3. Remember that, Cranky? How sad I was? I thought I was next in line to be in the DKC game, but no! They skipped me and put the stupid baby in instead! Oh, Cranky, it made me feel so worthless and forgotten. But you're a good grandpappy, Cranky. You helped me feel better about it.
Oh, little one, you're tugging at the strings of my cold, dead heart.
Wow, she even managed a purple banana from Cranky this year. How is that possible?
No matter, Dixie-san. With our Cranky-proof costumes, we shall once again master this thing they call trick or treat.
Trick or treat?
Hey, girl, don't I look fabulous?
Oh my gosh, Diddy! Why in the world are you dressed as my sister?
Well, I found out what Tiny's trick-or-treat prank for Cranky is this year. So needless to say, I'll be taking her place. I'll visit Cranky, pull off the prank, and claim the treat for myself.
I secretly always wanted to see Diddy dressed as a girl.
It's
But if he thinks he's gonna fool Cranky, he better think again. Because watch what Diddy Kong is about to do.
There's nothing quite like funky spiced tea to hone in my egg-throwing skills for Halloween. Who's interrupting tea time? Scram, you little whippersnapper! My windows are off
Cranky,
limits.
Tiny has a wicked Halloween prank in store for you, and she's almost to your front door right now.
So, boy, you're not only a lousy video game star, you're a dirty little tattler as well, huh? Normally, I'd make sure you never star in a video game again. But tattling a Tiny, well, earns you a big fat reward instead. I've fallen for that girl's pitiful Halloween antics for years, but not tonight. Once she knocks, I'll open this door and douse that little scamp in dino goo before she can mutter a single word.
Cranky!
Tiny, don't go in. Do you have any idea what Cranky does to princesses?
Silence, peasant! Princess Daisy shall show how true royalty does trick-or-treating.
You gotta admit, though, her impression's flawless.
So our little Daisy Dabbler thinks she's a princess, eh? Then come right in, your majesty. Your royal treatment awaits.
Hi, I'm Daisy! Hi, I'm Daisy! Hi, I'm Daisy! Psst! Hi, I'm Daisy! 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 Hi, I'm Daisy!
Just take it!
Just, how did something that stupid actually work?
Flower power.
So, you've come to visit old Cranky for Halloween again, eh? Don't waste your time. I got rid of my bananas this year. And when that Dixie clone stops by with some elaborate Halloween prank, her effort will be for nothing.
What? Cranky went all year without bananas? That's horrible! Well, bananas or not, that won't stop me from pulling a Halloween surprise.
She's here. I'd recognize that knock anywhere. Time to break the bad news. That little rapscallion isn't so bad after all.
Well, I didn't get a banana from Cranky this year, but you know, it felt really good giving him one instead. And besides, if you could keep a secret, my secret Halloween stash has grown so huge over the years that I don't know what to do with it.
It must be a fluke. There's no way that costume earned you all that loot, Tiny.
The name's Daisy Chain. And I want a real peg leg, too.
Worth it!
Hi, I'm Daisy! Actually, no, that worked. I'm surprised. Oh man, I love this.
And when that Dixie... Not now. Hooded chaos. Emerald!
Ranger.